Hey guys, I'd just like to tell you a little bit more about book 2, which is the technique. There's 2 programs. There's an 18-month program which goes through all your scales, majors and minor, major and minor scales, arpeggios and broken chords that you have in ABRSM and Trinity scales. It's quite comprehensive. It's not a walk in a park. It's hard work, but if you get the training, then I'll show you later how how it will affect your playing. The other one is a 10-month training program which covers general playing techniques. So it could be something like sixes, which you'll need to learn how to play if you want to play blues, and other things. Thirds, so you'll learn thirds as well. Those things are used in lots of different music: jazz, blues, pop, whatever. Pedaling, it'll teach you how to play use the pedal properly. It also comes with over 1,000 videos that you get online. Once you purchase the course, you just have to access it through a password, and they're quite short. They're about 5 to 10 minutes long. 5 to 10 seconds long, and you just go straight to whatever you need. You just dip in whenever you need it. There's also a CD on here as well, and the CD will let you hear how it should be played, but also it will let you know what you might be doing wrong as well. Now, I've got over 25 years of teaching experience, and I've watched so many students play and making so many errors, so I've put them all in here in this little CD. Okay, so it's really important when you're teaching yourself that you understand what not to do. Okay, and obviously if you've got a book here and you're just reading a book, you don't know. So, but the CD will help you. It will train your ears to listen to make sure you don't do the errors that you're probably doing at the moment. So that's that. Yeah, so it's the online videos, the CDs, and the 2 programs. So it's quite in depth, and you can see here. But just to give you an idea, most people learn online on YouTube, so they're not actually learning technique. So they might be playing a whole bunch of chords, and they might go, yeah, I want to learn some chords, and they're like, and they're playing like this. It's quite heavy-handed. You can see my fingers are sticking up, so if your fingers are sticking up, you're not going to be able to play fast because your fingers are too high. So they're not showing you that. The other thing they're not showing you is which hand should be played heavier. Is it the right, left? Which finger, when you're playing a chord, which finger gets played the heaviest? They're not at the same volume. So if you're playing 5 notes at the same time, which note is the heaviest? Which one's the softest? So you've got all that as well. They're not teaching you this stuff. So so if you're playing that sort of thing, tapping like this, you can see my fingers are sticking out off the keys and everything like that. So this is how I see people come to me when they say, oh, I've been learning from YouTube, and this is how they play. But it's like, oh my god, it's terrible. So you want to be able to, depending on the chords, so you've got the skill. You can play louder as well. Whatever you want to do, anyway. So it just gives you an idea of what you can do. The techniques in there will teach you how to will give you the skill to play blues as well, and jazz. So all those things you'll be able to do with that training from the technique book. So yeah, and also obviously it's when you've paid, if you buy the course, you're entered into the private VIP membership group as well, so you can send me over your videos online, and I can have a look at what you're doing, how you're playing the music and stuff like that, and give you some tips and tricks to help you to get through that section. So you get all that as well forever. So you know, that's thrown in. So that's the technique book 2. Hopefully you'll join me on the other side for the next one, which is the practice notes. Okay, cheers, thanks for watching.